Hey, it's Jennifer Sparks. We're in Atlantic City, New Jersey, and today we're going to be taking a walk on the boardwalk. We are starting our walk at the Hard Rock Hotel. This video is going to be raw and unedited. I am here today with my sister Jackie and my cousin Michelle, also known as Pinky. And I do not assume responsibility for some of the cussing they might be saying along our walk. We're just doing our walk as we did it, and I just really wanted to kind of give you a live version without going live. So this video was filmed today. The date today is February 21st, 2024. Upcoming videos will be videos about the Hard Rock. I'm also at Caesars currently. In my upcoming videos, we're going to be discussing traveling with wheelchairs and handicap rooms, topics like that. I'm traveling with my mom and my aunt, and things are a little bit different, and I'm just going to be showing you how I kind of maneuvered around that. If you are new to my channel, thank you so much for tuning in. If you want to see more about Atlantic City, please subscribe to my channel, and I will leave playlists at the end of this video about Atlantic City resorts and things to do in Atlantic City. The weather was about 40 degrees and sunny. We are walking to Bally's so my cousin and sister could get Bally's cards. So maybe they could go on free cruises with me in the future. And we're going to also go get breakfast at a new place there called the Casino Cafe, I believe it's called. I'll show you that at the end of this video. So stay tuned. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. For those of you that are subscribed and watch my videos, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. And I'm going to get back to my casino touring over here in Caesars. So have a great day. Enjoy the tour.
I like that shirt. I'm going to use this here. What's your superpower?
That's fantastic.
We got free t-shirts yesterday. We put them in the trunk?
I don't know. You took them. Where'd you put it?
That makes her voice radiates, man.
Yeah, it's beautiful. She's always there.
Is she really?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. $6 drinks. Where's that? Sports bar.
Oh, that's a
brunch.
Tropicana. I'm telling you, you guys have to go there one day with me. They have the greatest places.
God, yes. So,
It's way down the other end of the boardwalk.
My laptop, I could work from anywhere.
Yeah,
Oh, wow. You like that shit.
I do.
I do
I
too.
had to confess, though, because that's a sin.
What?
Yeah, in the church.
Are you
use
serious?
Medium tarot cards.
Wow,
Horoscopes.
that's crazy.
Horoscopes are funny. But yeah, to read it.
Don't go out. Yeah.
I like it to guide me. Like, you know, if it says like you might have a confrontation today with somebody, I'll be like, okay, I'm not going to go see anybody today.
I'm not gonna do anything tonight.
I'm just going to stay home.
You know what's funny? My hands are chilly, but my feet are fine.
That is weird.
There's a show, Hook. It's supposed to be good at Caesars.
Yeah, yep.
Variety show.
That's pretty new.
It's like some class at work. Shut up.
You're fine.
That is awesome. Done. Wild Wild West. Talking about the Wild
Oh, it's a
Wild
different
West.
property.
You want to go to Bally's to the Wild Wild West?
Of course I do.
Oh, goody, goody. Goody, goody.
I didn't even go there.
Oh, goody, goody. Goody, goody. I'm big on naps sometimes. Like sometimes, you right, Jen? Sometimes I'll say, I'm going to take a nap. I'll meet you in a little bit.
Yeah. There's the Irish pub over there.
Really?
Next to, yeah.
Oh my God, it's right there.
Yeah,
Let's
it's
go
like
later.
really old and very, very cool. At Christmas time, it is decorated so amazing.
We'll have to take pictures there later.
That is a timeshare. Yep. It is an RCI timeshare, yes. I never stayed there.
Did your mom stay there?
She may have. I like Flagship. It's farther though. This is definitely more convenient.
Dude, I'm telling you, these stockings. I don't think if I could walk this far.
That's amazing.
I would never be able to walk this far. Even these expensive shoes aren't
You could be a spokesperson for those socks. What are they called?
Those Tommy Toppers?
No, they're called nurse yard.
Nurse Yard.
Comfort station. That's a nice way of saying you gotta take a piss.
Yes. Yes.
And it's open. That's great. Rita! Oh, it's like a whole new section of lively shit here. Like it was a little bit of a lull, and now it's
Exciting again.
Yeah,
you know, I think we lived years ago when the boardwalk first opened too.
I think so. Why are we so drawn to this place?
Is that like an artwork or something? Or is that like a broken fence?
Or probably a broken fence.
There.
Or it could be artwork.
Or something for kids to play on.
I don't know. Oh, hammer and nails. I would say to, you're like a hammer to a nail. It's like,
Shut up.
I mean, art on the boardwalk and, you know.
Oh, I like some of that stuff. I like the pink one.
Nature Valley makes it everything people want. Try Nature Valley's favorite nut crunch bars.
Clock, wow.
It's work with a double A battery. So you guys from Long Island?
No, Connecticut. Oh, so
Alright,
cute.
Oh my God! Do you wear boots?
I do wear boots.
You know what?
Yeah, I think I wouldn't want one at the first place. I don't like the tin. And its natural form is medicinal. Okay. Yoda.
This is my favorite part of the boardwalk. That's why I like to stay at Caesars and Valleys because of the location.
Our newly improved high-end locker room now offers an open space design, comfortable seating, view slots, private restrooms, and more. Visit the high-end slot
Right
room.
beyond this is the yard. We're gonna go check out and see if that's open. This is the place that gives me the free cruises. Valleys, yeah. Don't even gamble there much. I get free cruise offers from Carnival.
Let's do it.
This is the Dennis Hotel. This is original. Well, it's been maybe remodeled. It really needs a good remodeling, the hotel. Inside, yeah. I've stayed there several times, but this is like really old. Times.
Stupid picture of Rob. Came up with my pic. He was so So where does it hurt?
Here and here, right here.
You're trigeminal nerve. That's your
Yeah.
trigeminal
What
nerve.
do I do?
And she's got the eggs Benedict.
That. Can you get it?
I think I maybe.